Hey guys, it's Mirelle and welcome back to the channel. So as you could probably already tell from the title, today I will be giving you guys a tour of this really cool place called my bedroom. So in case you didn't know, this whole transformation and redecorating my room took me like 6 months to complete, and I am finally done. So if you want to see that whole process and that whole transformation, go check out my last video and you get to see how my room used to look like as well. So definitely recommend you go check that out. I will leave the link down below, and also up here you get to click the link, or I think it's on this side, I don't know. But also I do want to mention that here's a little side note that me and my sister share this room. So if you're wondering why there are 2 beds in here, that is why. But with that all being said, let's just get into the video. So when you go in my room, this is how it looks like. Here is just a quick overview. Now let's start the tour on this side of the room. I call it the hook area. So as you can see in this corner, we have the bag hooks, the towel hooks, and the jacket hooks. Okay, and then below the jackets we have this box over here. It's full of my sister's stuff, and then on top of the box I got this wooden small crate box from IKEA, and we kind of just put our school stuff so it's like easy to get. And as well we have just this little fan, and then this thing my sister made, and over here is my water floss because I have braces. And beside the box I just keep my ring light over here, and then my ukulele is safe in a box, and then just a random lamp that we keep over there, you know, just in case for emergency. But moving on to the desk area. So starting off in my desk area, I got this desk from IKEA. This chair is also from IKEA. I kind of dressed up the chair a bit because this is a rug I got from IKEA. This chair pad is also from IKEA. And then I also just keep my laptop on here, and then I just have this mirror that I got from IKEA, and it has a light, and this lamp I also got from IKEA. Behind my laptop I just have this like pen holder for pens and pencils. I actually got this from the dollar store. And then I have this fake succulent from IKEA, and then this Google Mini. Moving up, so I have these 2 frames that I actually DIY'd. So I got the frames from the dollar store, and then I got some cork thing and put it in the frame. And then for the whiteboard I just put like a piece of Bristol board in it, and there we go. Moving along, I have these 2 shelves which I got from Amazon. Guess where these plants are from? Yes, they're from IKEA. This cute moonlight that I got from Amazon, and then this thing over here, I don't know what it's called, but I got that from the dollar store. And then this other plant is from IKEA as well. So that plant that's like on my shelf up here, I didn't really like how it turned out when I got it. So let me show you how it looked like on the website, and let's compare it to what mine looks like. And here is a picture. Yeah, completely different. Didn't turn out the way I wanted it, so I am definitely gonna return it and get another plant, probably a longer one, because it looks cool if it's like, you know, those hanging plants. And then beside it I just had this like awkward like white space, so I decided to cover it in Polaroids. Over here I just have my fan because it gets really warm in here in the summer. But yeah, and then we just got a little trash can over there. Oh yeah, also I just wanted to mention how my desk is not in the best place here in this room because when someone's sitting on this chair, it kind of like blocks the way here. So whenever me or my sister like is sitting here and one of us has to pass through, we kind of have to jump over each other. I don't really know where else to put this desk, but if you have any suggestions, please let me know. But let me actually show you the struggle. Let me show you how I get into this chair. Okay, ready? Like that. See, it's like barely any space to sit to. So I squeeze in here. And I actually, you know, I fit perfectly. And I just do my work. Next is the closet area. So I'm not gonna show you what's in my closet. So if you watch my room transformation, I did clean it out, but since that was months ago, that closet is now a mess. But I actually put up these vines. I don't know how I feel about it, but moving on, I have this mirror. I actually got this mirror from Walmart and it was really cheap. It was only $10. And then around the mirror, I just put these fairy lights. I don't think I got the fairy lights from Amazon. I got it a long time ago. And above that, I got this neon sign that says love. Over here, I just have this fake plant that I got from IKEA. Beside it, I just have the laundry basket. And then let's move on to the next side of the room. So here is my couch. So let me tell you a little secret about this couch. So it is actually 2 chairs together, and these are actually like our old dining chairs, and I decided to get them so, you know, we could fill up this space over here by the window. And I covered it up with this blanket that I got from the dollar store. And on this couch, I just have these 2 pillows and this little pillow right here. These 2 are from IKEA and this one is from Urban. And then here is our window. Sorry, the lighting is bad. So just have these frames over here. And then I have this mug where we put our chargers so it's easy to get. And I don't know where this mug is from because it was a gift. And then moving along, we have this plant over here. Guess where it's from? Yep, IKEA. This plant over here, it took so long for the flowers to bloom. So if you see in my room transformation, this plant didn't have any flowers in it yet, but now it does and it looks so pretty. And then over here, we just have these 3 piggy banks and they're all my sisters. And then near the couch here, we just have this rug. I think I got it from HomeSense. But let's move on to this part of the room. So this is me and my sister's dresser. This is mine. And this is my sister's. She broke hers. We'll start off with the clock, which is from IKEA, and then more Polaroids. I just have this switch over here for the LED lights. It just goes up there and then splits into 2 and goes all around the room. So on this side, we have this lamp from IKEA. This one, I think it's from the dollar store. And then we have this little like jewelry holder or jewelry plate. And over here is the galaxy light, which I got from Amazon. How I use it is kind of, we stand it up here so that the light kind of goes all over the room, so it just doesn't stay like going up, you know, here. And then we have these 3 containers, which is also from IKEA. I swear everything in my room is from IKEA or Amazon. And I've kind of organized all our stuff. So this is all my makeup. This is like toiletries. And then over here are all the hair products, hair ties, you know, brushes. And then we have the mirror, which I got from Walmart. And then I just hung up these vines that I got from Amazon. And then beside these little containers, I have this like little container full of like me and my sister's sunglasses. And then this jewelry holder, which I honestly had for years. And I got this from Claire's. Now we are on to the best part of the room, the beds. This bed over here is mine and this is my sister's. So let's start with my bed. We actually have the same sheets and I got this from HomeSense, and this little pillow I got from Walmart. We both have this blanket that's at the end of our beds, and this is from IKEA. IKEA. So if you saw my room transformation, I showed my blanket that I got from the dollar store. It's not here in this room anymore. I changed it for these ones from IKEA because obviously if it's a cheap blanket, you are suffering the quality. It was shedding a lot, and like all those little like fur was all over the room, and you know, it's bad to like breathe it in. The reason why I got it is because we have this blanket that's from the dollar store that's on our couch, and it's been like fine, but for some reason the ones that I got for our bed was really bad quality. So above my bed I have these minimalist art that I actually made myself. I don't really like how this one turned out, but I do really like how the rose turned out. So this is how it looks like above our bed. I just have this shelf I got from Amazon, and this plant is from IKEA. Over here is our nightstand. The nightstand is from IKEA. It was on sale for $10, so it was a good deal. Under the desk is more storage. It's the same box as my sister's near the coats. And then I just have this frame that I also DIY'd my own calendar, and the frame is from the dollar store. This tissue box is also from the dollar store, and then I just have this like remote holder. These are my LED lights remote. I have this candle which is from IKEA. I have this mug that was a gift, so I don't know where that's from, and there's just random things in here. And then this plant is from IKEA. Now here is my sister's bed. So same thing, she has the same blanket, the same sheets, and the same pillow as well. And then finally we move on to our photo wall, which I'm so proud of. Me and my sister put it up. You could watch us put it up in my transformation video, but me and my sister actually put the photos together ourselves. Pinterest was kind of like our best friend. We made several boards because we couldn't decide on an aesthetic until we finally did. And what we kind of included for photos is like our favorite celebrities, places we want to travel to, some quotes, and also some pictures that we took ourselves to really personalize our photo wall. And then above the photo wall is just these vines. I don't really know how I feel about it now. Like I kind of want to make it more straight, so I don't know when I'll do that, but that is it for the room because right beside it is the door where we started the tour. So yeah, that is all I have for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. So bye guys.